Ho, Uncle Nudge here, and I'm getting ready to rock. I'm getting ready to go on another rock hounding trip, and this just kind of shows where I'm probably going to go. Not quite there yet. So in the meantime, enjoy my daughter's band who recently played at a festival nearby. And you've seen her before in some other videos. Let's get ready to rock. So I got a number of pendants here, and this is a botryoidal jade, beautiful chrysocolla. Not sure what this rock is. and kind of a common rock and some chrysocolla, rhodonite, and a red jasper with some different inclusions, including quartz and stuff. And this one, you're going to see in a video that its brothers and sisters are a bit famous, and we've got some celebrities wearing them, including someone who sold 25 million albums. So pretty cool. Actually kind of similar to this one. And I just got hundreds of pendants that I'll string up, and made all these the past few months, just a ton. I didn't find all these rocks. Some of them I did trades for or purchased. The turquoise I didn't find, but you know, something like this, that's like a quartzite agate, and just other crazy stuff I've found. This I didn't find. This is from Africa, ruby zophite, and pretty cool stuff.